Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack. In this video, we're talking the Geronimo Belt. It's an absolutely beautiful belt. It's 100% made in the USA. We use veteran hands and vintage machines. Now let's take a closer look.
All right, guys, so this is the Geronimo Belt from Macks Belts. So this is American thread, this is American leather, that's American steel, just like all of Macks Belts. Now, every one of our belts is handmade for you in the USA by a special operations veteran, and these are guys that know tough gear. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of the vintage machines we use to build all of our hardware in this belt. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrapyard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the USA. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. It's ready to go on a belt. All right, welcome back, guys. So yeah, we use a very high tensile thread for our belts. This gives added structure, added rigidness. It's gonna make sure that your belt keeps its form over time. This is our double parallel Western wave stitch pattern. It's a proprietary stitch pattern to Macks Belts. And this belt is just gonna be absolutely perfect for your suit, for your blue jeans, for your concealed carry needs. And more importantly, this is a belt that's 100% made in the USA. And we believe that quality drives quantity and that you treat your customers with respect by providing the absolute best of the best. And that's what this is. So if you guys want to learn more about Macks Belts and the veteran-owned business changing the way belts are made, then you know where to go. Thanks for watching.
If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company, a company that believes in quality, a company that puts this flag first every step of the way, a company that believes you gain customer trust by giving them the best that you can provide. And at Macks Belts, we believe made in the USA is the best of the best. So, if you guys want to learn more, head to macksbelts.com and gear up with the toughest on earth. I look forward to going to work for you and building you one of my 100% American-made belts.